somebody who after parliamentarians I was wondering what they are so practicing. We are security, we are promises being tea. Wabekwa ko di juma, abekwa na sa afunu jumadi akosono. Missy, Ghana for advocates, near telecast the program the live at the debate level. Near Huona Wabekasa Etia, and as Wabekasa the Amabil, Yahuan. Now Yanaka won't see. And Yan went in Yasuma one. And then Missy. Sir, a boy piano, a boy piano to men now, boy Berman, a boy Berman to men now. And now, when you answer saying, Yaga decided, Mano, and I say, then let's put religion aside. Near nature, anything that goes against nature, it becomes what? Problem. The Bibiara Yaya, I'm from the Pansolo, Etienne and Papa. Na etia oda sani bombra aden yes ye nyantum anya ngama bra anya ngama ne okaka they have justification na mokura sabo so ye polygamy sa mo gaje o se ye polygamy no ye fan go show bia kon wa manoni o ye polygamy na ye practice no if we put religion aside ye show bia se onyentum. Why are they forcing us? I don't know one first I didn't find go Afghanistan. I don't know one find go Saudi Arabia. Muslim countries, you know, I don't and a young fan go and the how they also have their rights. So, all right and all right now, baby. We also have our right to defend it. Woman Waka, Missy, they should telecast it, debate on the floor level, no one telecast in a live. Then we can speak to the conscience of those who are backing the bill. And this thing shouldn't be allowed in this country. Now, young are so for young Tenassi. Obiaka said, yeah. I don't know if you crab it. What's the name of your nobody want to man? Come on, man, from Ghana. Sabi, I saw for you know, was the day for you know, parliamentarians, dear, Madam West one, Yankopon and Shira Winara, Yemia Sam George, Speaker of Parliament, the Honorables, and Nipa, what you just said, Madi, Yabetmasha, the Etias Afrik Medino, Yankopon Shira Winara. And the can say it should be telecast live on our screens. In disguise. What the Patakuhuma and home, the parliament. No was the answer also no one will be able to punish them. In fact, Ghana. The country is becoming too porous. The many and what was a young GMO, genetically modified organism. Yankopon Deno, and can we be a Biara Nasa, a Biabano to Fem Nasa as a pa, and was said Biabano 850. Woman sounds the GMO, and Biabano at Fema, if you fear. You have to go to them. Here we cannot continue to be slaves in our own land. Let us rise. Talk about this thing once and for all. Next year. Many of the can be our Ecclesiastes. Osenkafo Mano. See a Bako and Chichemudu our Keno. Na Ehosi. Nanyansa dodo or how dodo science and I see science anyway. It is to be a bibia and Nakula yes, a bit more hard. You're from pansexuals. Wow, what's the one in the pan? Why, when you nipa, one bed that, when you're poor, one bed that, when you're beer, one bed that, you did beer one pound of beer, one bed that. Hey, yeah, we are money. Pansexuals. And we want to allow these people in this land no way. Ose nyansa dodo mu wo ohaw dodo na wiase no baby ayakodo nan, and nobody is talking about it. We cannot say this and go and sleep. We will continue to advocate. Yabako say kan wasem na amfa no me amfa mira oman. Mimi a wotie be walking in Genesis chapter 19. Okay, before no corner. Sani ye BC, Sodom and Gomorrah. Me said this out. So Sodom and Gomorrah, Yango for essay, no. Nani be woman and why again the lesbians and wait yet your memu, that's a big bag. That's a Tiaja Bambra, Nate Bambra, nature. They are come Wasema or how by yet him. We will face the consequences. The cause will be there, and then we will be part of the effect. We will be part of the effect. A question of you have to care. Now, driver carelessly. Now, we say, make them want some essence say, I don't know if this year. Now, we want some carrying accident that you will be part. The effect, we will feel it. And Genesis chapter 19, the people of Sodom and Gomorrah, they felt the effects. Meanwhile, I presume some of them were not doing gay and lesbianism. And that's another saying, we cannot sit. Kukuru na nyaya, kike ni nyaya da. Yenma was supposed to bill no. Say one yan mbra, yan fenti asafo no. Once again, Sam George, Speaker of Parliament, Yewra Abambadu. And the brain now was supposed to say, the good Lord Almighty, who created heaven and earth, and human beings should continue to shower his blessings on them. Shame unto you for being a leader and cannot fight for your people. What I'm saying is that shame on you. My name is this bill will be passed. Now, I cannot what to make before yet. Remo and Yanasu pay. Christian now, we are watching men, we are with Yemen. Now, you support Waka. Now, you're doing 200 body in view among Ganemo. Now, Shira, and to me, Abba among Ganemo. 7. No man, among Ganemo, we are one. Yako family be able to yamoso na de no me abre Church of Christ TV akemo da ene wani etua yi na waso egusu yi koso ada de tie pai a emam asasi so ne asasi a ebeba do atimo na share na we be entie na yente ne asafui wonu mani a wo pese wonu wo manga de boase yet me so re tia wo na oman na fa de tampe ebra Pastor Church of Christ Jordan and Jordan Yara Yanko Power H. Now, yes,